Mojack Bay $1 million views, new pier and riprap/breakwater sandy bottom, great for swimming, endless views and view of New Point Lighthouse, and majestic sunsets. This home offers a large eat-in kitchen with laundry/utility room, family room with fireplace, for show, and a first-floor master waterfront bedroom and full bath. The second floor offers a very spacious family room with 3 additional bedrooms and 2 baths. 2 bedrooms are waterfront and have access to a covered terrace, balcony, porch. This home was recently remodeled with new flooring, tile floors, and the septic is fairly new. You will enjoy endless days on the balcony looking at the boating activity, looking at the lighthouse, and just enjoying the summer breezes. So much fun on the new pier. Go crabbing, fishing, and swimming. New pier, rip-rap, and circular driveway. Detached storage shed for all your lawn equipment. This home would make a great income-producing home for vacation rentals. Don't miss this great bay property, all ready for you to move in and start enjoying the bay.